Ready to draw a chibi boy together? Let's go! The shapes present in a character's facial features can tell us something about his personality and emotions. Are they going to show conviction with edges and angles? Or a more carefree attitude with curves and thinner lines? Or confusion and fear with rounder shapes? Hair plays an important role as well in showing who your character is. Maybe he's a performer with the coolest locks to match that. Or maybe he's a hardworking student who has to keep his hair neat. Or maybe it's the holidays and he doesn't mind leaving it to grow out a little. It's time to dress your character. Here, it helps to think about your character's surrounding environment or perhaps occupation. Is he dressed in a formal or casual manner? Where is he? And why is he wearing the clothing that you choose? And what shoes does your character need for the terrain that he's in? Does he need comfortable shoes that serve him well in walking long distances? Or fancy shoes to impress? What is he most comfortable wearing? Why not give your character some added accessories? Here's where you can further explore the details surrounding your character. Is there something special he might wear or carry? After you've got a list of features you might want your character to have, you can always try switching them around. Who knows, maybe you'll find another combination of features that you love. You might even end up with a whole bunch of new friends. And now it's your turn to create. Who will you bring to life?